Hi students, now is the time for your midterm examination and these are some of the vital points that you need to remember. Now first is, how should you prepare your file? First is the cover page, second is the introduction, and third is the main content, and fourth is the conclusion. Your cover page should be beautiful and it should reflect how well prepared and creative you are. Second is introduction. Your introduction should be so good that it should give a whole zest of the things that you have prepared. Third is the main content. Main content should be well researched and it should be well elaborated. And last but not the least, conclusion. It should have the whole summary of the content that you have prepared. If for some reason students that you are very creative, then you can go for the second option, which is project and model. First one is the working model, 3D model, chart and any other creative project. You can do this, but if you choose to do this, it should be very unique. Your marks will be divided in these three structures. First is recognition, oral and written, and these three will combine up to 50 marks. Next one is how your recognition paper will be judged. First one is overall presentation, how well you have presented your content. Next one is you can use visual aids. Your visual aids that you are using should be so lively and it should be so good that it should help you to help the listener understand what your content is. Next is response to questions. How well you are able to answer the questions, how well you are able to listen and how well you are able to respond to those questions. That will be the key factor in getting the marks that you want. Next is overall impact. After doing all of this, how well you have impacted the listener, that is very important. Next one is in oral, clarity and confidence. Your way of standing, your way of speaking, how well you are able to present, your tonality, your punctuation and your modulation, these things will be very, very important. Next one is engagement and interaction. Your engagement should be so good that it should not look like a soliloquy, but it should grab the attention of the listeners. And then your body language. You should not stand stiff, but you should look exuberant and confident when you are presenting your content. Next is your written content. First is knowledge of topic, how well you have prepared and how well you have embraced everything that is in the topic. Next one is organization. Your content should be elucidated. It should not confuse the reader, but it should help the reader understand that what you have written. Next one is content relevance. Your content should be relevant. It should not go hither and thither, but it should be accurate and it should have reliable information. Next one is research. Your research should be well founded and it should have very reliable data. Next one is creativity. You students are free to use your beautiful minds to show your creativity, your exuberance, your free mindedness in these kind of concepts. Thank you very much.